Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Alright, so what we're doing today, we're going to give you an update on Chris. And do you remember Chris? Chris is the 4-year-old farmer that we had featured on the Chat Jamaican channel. So I am just so excited right now to give you this update, to let you know what is happening with Chris and how Chris himself is excited and happy at this time.
Alright, so we're here today, Tuesday, to give Chris, only Chris, 50 chickens, 10 bags of feed. This 10 bags of feed is on behalf of hi-pro through your video channel,
Chat Jamaican with Tania.
Chat Jamaica with Tania. So it's fit that will help out Chris. But secondary, helping the schoolie, his grandmother. So we are here handing over day-old chicks for him to raise with feed, water pan, tarpaulin. We have also given to my schoolie some zinc sheets for her to upgrade her chicken coop. So based on the upgrading, we are hoping that she'll move from 50 to 70, right?
Yes.
From the 70 to the 100 and more. But do bear in mind, to do more chickens, you have to extend the coop. Alright? So the one roof cannot do the same 50 as 100. Alright? So we are glad, Chris, that we're helping you. So I'll give a little handshake. They're going to hold your pan.
You want to give him? No. What's
I
it?
want it.
You want symbolically
Oh,
hand over to, right. Alright, so
Yeah.
hold on now.
If you want to.
Put that.
Alright, hold on.
So you're going to hold. No? Better? Yeah. Oh, my glass is coming off. So you're going to hold it. Yeah, man.
Don't try these guys. What is it?
Yeah, look straight at the camera.
Look at the camera. Look at the cameraman. Yes. So we are happy to be doing this.
Set up your bag.
Smile, you look so serious.
Chris, alright, smile. Say hi. Hold the chicken,
You don't want him anymore?
Chris, may you here? Alright, so
Maybe it's
give
a
me big
camera.
smile. I figure that's what it is. Yeah. Give me a big smile, alright?
Smile.
Smile, Chris. Chris, smile. Say chicken.
Alright. Yeah. Rubbing back. Yeah. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, rubbing back.
Don't hide it.
Yeah. So you have to hold it, chick. Say, yes, grandma. You have a beard, grandma. Yes. And so how we can get things done. Yes. So give thanks for hi-pro. Say hi, hi-pro.
Give
Thanks,
him
hi-pro.
a thumbs up.
Thumbs up for hi-pro.
Yeah.
And say, yes, hi-pro.
Show them you eat chicken.
Yeah. Say on behalf of grandma, mommy, everybody, thank you, hi-pro.
Thank you, hi-pro.
Alright.
Chris, how you feeling now? Say,
Talk, man. You're
you're
happy?
feeling happy? What are you going to do with the chickens?
Put them in the coop.
You're going to put them into the coop?
Yeah.
And you're going to feed them? Really? Put him down now?
Won't put him down
Make him put him
himself.
back in there.
Yeah.
You put it back.
Take your time, take your time.
Yeah. 15.
Yeah. Alright, go on now, just take him up and lift him over and put.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is a chicken coop that Chris is going to put his chickens in. You know, they have done a little bit of upgrade. The family members, they have meshed it, put in some mesh in order to accommodate the new chickens that are coming in, and they're ready now to put in the things that hi-pro had contributed to them. So even the bottom was dirt the last time when I came, so now it's concreted. So what hi-pro is saying that it is better with the concrete, so it is now concreted. Chris, stack up the chicken.
Put him inside.
Any good
Put
one
him
for
with
him
water.
alone? Chris, look at him.
No, man.
Oh, okay.
Kiss him, Chris.
And he said,
Chris!
careful. Make him 2 feet stand up in your hand. Yes. Yeah, the day.
He can't fly. In we drop, Chris. In we drop. What is the purpose for the tarpaulin? The purpose for the tarpaulin?
Is to keep in heat. So you want to have a heat source.
Yeah.
Generate, especially at night. And the top ones to keep it in. So
Okay.
when it's too cold and breezy with the coldness,
Yes.
baby chicks don't like it.
Okay.
For one, baby chicks don't know how to regulate their body temperature. So you have to act like the mother. You have to come and forward with their chicks outside. So you prepare the house, the nursery, get it warm, get it tightly covered.
Okay.
Just checking to see if you can reach to the roof, come around. And then they will put their feed and water one side.
Okay.
And they will drink and eat. But based on the time of day, I do recommend just giving them water first, and then a couple hours later, like 6 o'clock or so, start giving them feed, or by tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, so they will be separated from this side.
Right?
They are going to be separated from this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the numbers, if you're
Yes.
doing more,
Yes.
it's possible then maybe you could cover the whole coop. But to generate the heat for that, this size is going to maybe take 2 bulbs.
Okay.
So we'll reduce the size. You know nobody with
Chris, say hi.
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 How are you liking the chickens? Just talk, patwa. Wagwan, you love everything?
We love everything.
You love it?
Yeah.
Alright. So, what are...
No, I don't
Tell me now, what you gonna do with the chicken them?
put them in the coop.
So you gonna put them in the coop?
Yeah.
And then these are what? What them in name?
Water pan.
So what you gonna do with the water pan them?
Give the water in there.
So you gonna give them enough water?
And drink it.
Oh. Alright then, say bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, be careful, be careful.
Wow. Wow.
Chris! Chris! Lord Jesus Christ.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
No. Alright. Sorry for your baby them. Maybe they're sleeping. Don't wake them up, Chris. Make them sleep.
Don't wake them up.
Chris! Put him back the chicken them. Put them in the box. I can't stay with them because I'm going to keep them till then get stale out. You love it chicken? Tell me why you love it chicken.
I love it so too much.
Eh?
I love it too much.
Why you love it chicken them too much?
I love it.
Tell me now.
This way, come into me.
I love it chicken them, you know? No, sir.
No.
Don't take out no more. And forget the rabbit, forget more, Chris?
Yes.
Go and go give them more. Come here, tell them so to feed them and then not feed them. Sure.
Forget what was. Well, I don't think this is not long enough. Okay. You missing a piece?
Let me see piece.
The same.
Yeah.
Same plug.
Same plug. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sleep. Oh, light is on. What is the purpose of the stones?
Stone is to prevent them from bathing in the water. So chicks will tend to just rush the water without realizing
Yes.
and they get wet.
Oh.
So once they get feathers wet, body wet, coupled with the heat, that is a chill to them. And then once they start to defecate on the cardboard,
Yes.
grandma will just keep changing it.
Yes.
The first one. Can't make it stay there too long, preferably when it's too wet. So maybe by tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, use the change. Yeah. So what is too big to go in. So go back to the box until they finish it. So it could be rolling off like that. Yeah.
Oh, you need some more boxes.
Yeah. Purpose there is that there's no corner for him to press into.
Oh,
It can
okay.
get colder.
Chris, you can't manage the box.
You hold one side.
Coming in? Alright. Woo! And can't manage it, and I don't understand this little boy. Chris, the lady will help you. Hold it now. No!
No, take your time, take your time, take your time.
Take time.
They're going inside the coop.
Alright, slow down, Chris, slow down. Take a step back. Take a step back.
I carry not sure not get for carry.
Put this here.
Alright.
Alright, take up one. Alright, go.
Alright, take a few steps back. Chris, stand right there. Alright, turn to me now.
So we're going to put them in the coop.
Hey, you take time walk.
Alright, walk towards me now, Chris.
Come towards us now. Come towards us. Come. Come now.
Welcome, Chris.
Come. Come.
One side, we're putting them inside now.
Not here, so. No, we put them on the cardboard.
On the cardboard over here.
Alright, take time. No, not yet.
Wait.
Hold on. Class for Justine? Okay. Yeah. Alright, take up another one. Take time. Don't be rough.
Chris, take your time.
Sorry, hold on. Sorry.
Get ready for you can go on that side. You might not have feed. You want
Can I
feed?
step on the cardboard? Can I step on the cardboard?
Yeah.
Nadia, take it from her.
Eh?
Take your time. Take your time.
Go on. Yeah?
Alright, here, Nadia. You want to put the feet on the cardboard there? Or you don't want them to have it at all? Alright, Chris, honey. Go over there so in the corner. I want you to go over there.
Alright, go to that corner. Next time, mind your step. Careful.
Ooh.
Alright.
Yay.
See the feet in your hand now?
Go.
No, don't throw it yet. I wouldn't mind if you had the feed in them hand and a bird.
Sure, yeah, sure. Perfect.
Alright, bend down. Scoot down. Hold on. So when they hopefully get the bird to eat and
And
eat
on
your
the
hand.
other side.
Hold on.
Let's just put some more.
Chris.
No, Chris, just hold your hand. Just hold your hand.
Hold your hand, Chini. Look on the man. Chris, look on the man.
No, not me. Man with the camera.
He's hiding the
Him too,
feed.
yeah, and I kind of just want him to have the feed in his hand. They will eat it from him, right? Once him have it in him hand?
No,
Not
sir.
really. They don't know what it is yet.
Alright, too much.
No more, Chris.
No.
Anyway, you take away your chicken. You want your chicken and get them. Alright, come this side now.
Alright, yeah.
Chris, be a second.
Go ahead.
You be a second.
You got what you needed?
I'm hoping so. The challenge is real though. Chris.
Alright, what would you want to happen?
Alright, can I have Chris over here in the corner right
Yeah, that's
here?
what I want.
That's what I want as well.
Chris,
Well, we have
hold on.
some more birds over here.
Oh man, be careful!
Careful. Alright. Let's stand right there.
Scream for the
And
bird.
then what's ready?
Chris, don't move.
Something to that effect. Just a little of the feed, so you can show.
If you want him to spread the
You
feed,
spread a little of the feed right there.
come Chris. You want to spread some of the feed?
Chris, don't move.
Get low.
Sit down.
Turn to me. Okay, good. And then sprinkle the feed.
Hold the pen and sprinkle.
Sprinkle it.
Sprinkle on the go.
Throw it on the ground, throw it on the
Slow,
ground.
take time, sprinkle on the hand.
Straight on the
Turn
ground.
here and sprinkle the feed on the go. Yeah?
Open your hand and sprinkle.
Show him what sprinkling is.
Do this. With the feed, do this.
Look at me.
Look at what he's doing. Do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Alright.
Yes, for sure.
No move it.
No, stay away.
Anything further for him?
Give me one more, Chris.
One more, Chris. One more.
Don't start yet. Come over.
But don't move.
Stretch and give it to him when he move over there. So. Get low.
Get down
Get
low.
low.
Last side.
Okay, good. You have it in the man already?
You want more feed?
Yeah. Alright, sprinkle it now. Go now.
Put it on the ground.
The time for show him and then go back. I'm sure I missed it.
Yes, I'm Nigel Alexander from hi-pro-pac Supplies. I'm the technical sales rep for St. Elizabeth and Manchester. Alright, we are here now just finishing off as best as we can with Miss Cooley and Chris on their 50 chicks and their feed, their water pan feed pans. So I'm going to follow up with Miss Cooley every other day or once a week. So maybe by next week Tuesday morning. But tomorrow morning I'll be here, but next week Tuesday morning and 1 week thereafter I will keep checking with Miss Cooley, and based on her workings for Chris, for brother Chris, as to how these chickens are growing, because I'm sure say if when Chris hears Miss Cooley killed one, a trouble for Miss Cooley. Miss Cooley, you killed me one chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. And then the next day, another one. So careful now, nighttime coolness can be troublesome. So you would tend to find in the first thing in the morning, 1 or 2 there. So try and keep it as warm as possible. Watch them how they reacting. If you see the bungling, is a problem. The means says they're not warm enough. So I say we might need to make some readjustments with the tarpaulin to ensure so the heat that is there is kept in. So we're hoping in 6 weeks from now that these would be 5-pound chicken. We are hoping that with 50 chickens in there is 50 at the end of 6 weeks. There are allowances, yes, for 1 or 2 deaths. If brother Chris don't step on them, let's hope not. Or on Chris' side, if it's cool, you know, kill one and blame it on him. So we would follow up and we ensure her progress from here onwards. So hoping that in the weeks, months to come, this Cooley turn to 200, 300 birds. With a market, which is tight as it is here now. So there are farmers with chicken in freezer having trouble to sell. But I'm hoping with Lent coming up, things will pick up if we don't have no more COVID-19 infection. with that, people should have their sale, and then chickens can come back on. Alright, so on behalf of Hyper Farm Supplies, I'd like to say it's a welcome to be part of this for Miss Cooley and Chris, and that we will take it from here in the future.
All right, thanks. Bye, Chris. Bye. Bye. Enjoy yourself at Hi-Pro. May I go wave to you here? Ready, ready?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican.
I thank you for watching Jamaican.
Little more.